A provider of elderly home care in Bryn Mawr examines how isolation affects mental health, Part 1. While many threats exist to those receiving elderly home care in Bryn Mawr, one tends to be overlooked: isolation. Physical and social isolation can be at the heart of a great many other problems which affect older people, from physical ailments to psychological issues such as depression. In our new blog series, we want to talk about the problem of isolation among seniors. First, we should discuss how isolation is defined, its prevalence, and some underlying causes. According to the AARP, which has extensively studied isolation among elderly people, isolation is the experience of diminished social connectedness. Social isolation can impact health and quality of life, ability and motivation to access adequate support for themselves, and the quality of the environment and community in which they live. In other words, as seniors age and find themselves potentially facing mental or physical issues, they are at greater risk of withdrawing from the world. Seniors may cut off their contact with friends and family, but doing so can cause them significant challenges in their day-to-day life, as well as risking their mental or physical health. Gauging exactly how many seniors are facing isolation is difficult, particularly because the subjective experience can vary greatly from person to person. However, experts believe that between 15 to 20% of seniors over 65 can be considered isolated due to living alone and having one or more barriers preventing them from maintaining social contacts. The potential causes of isolation are many, which is one of the reasons researching can be difficult. Some causes include loss of a spouse or partner, empty nest syndrome, physical disabilities inhibiting movement, loss of motor skills needed to drive, embarrassing loss of communicative skills, low income levels, speaking English poorly, living in a rural, physically isolated location, belonging to a small minority group, particularly one without community representation. The more of these factors are true of a senior, the more at risk he or she is of experiencing isolation. Neighborly Home Care employs caregivers who are well-trained and compassionate and provide quality elderly home care in Bryn Mawr and throughout Delaware County. If you worry that a loved one is suffering from isolation, or if you want to learn about our services, call us today at 610-658-5822 or visit www.neighborlyhomecare.com. To view images used under a Creative Commons license, visit the link below. Thank you for viewing Neighborly Home Care's video. To learn more about our elderly home care services, visit our website or call us at 610-658-5822.